Looking for the perfect hoodies? Here's what you need to know. The basic dog hoodie sweatshirt is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants fabric. Stretchy and warm. Easy to put on and off. Designed to help you. Fashionable design and hoodie elements can exude pets' vitality. Great choice if you need short sleeve and hoodie design can keep your pets warm in cold days. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.